guys, it's Rianne, and today I have teamed up with L'Oreal to do a really fun video. It's kind of like a follow me along while I shop slash unboxing slash first impressions beauty video. I'm so excited. I just got back from shopping at Walmart and I picked up all of these really amazing L'Oreal products, and I asked you guys on Instagram which ones were your favorite products that L'Oreal makes. So for those of you who responded to my Instagram story, I really appreciate it, and I did pick up a lot of those things. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at riannstar. Okay, so I made it to the beauty aisle. OMG, you guys, look at this. Oh, it's like L'Oreal makeup heaven. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out all of the things that you guys had recommended to me. Look, recording in process. It's me. Okay, anyway. So the first thing that a lot of you guys had suggested to me was the Luminous Lash Paradise. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up in black. I picked a couple of colors from the color Riche Shine line because a lot of you guys had also recommended that. So I got it in Burnished, Blush, and Sparkling Rose. Oh, such lovely names. Trying to decide what else to get before I leave. I'm trying to narrow it down because there's so many things I'm excited about. So I need to just focus and pick. I was able to find everything that I was looking for so easily, and I'm so excited for what I got, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I've just gotten back from shopping, and I washed the makeup off that I had on before because I wanted to do a try-on haul. So I'm just going to pull things out and try them on as we go. So right now all I have on is foundation because I didn't pick up a foundation today. Okay, so I have all my new L'Oreal products in front of me. I'm so excited. So the first product that I picked up is the L'Oreal Color Riche Pocket Palette, and this is in the shade 104 French Biscuit. And basically what this is an eyeshadow quad, and I just really like the colors in here. So first we have this awesome black that has some sparkles in it. Oh my goodness, these are really pigmented. I'm so impressed. Okay, and then we have this sort of brown color. This is sort of a rose color, and then we have a sort of gold shimmery shade. This palette is right up my alley. In fact, it's kind of like coordinating with what I'm wearing right now. But these are definitely shades that I tend to go for, and I just love all of these together. Another color that totally caught my eye and I thought would work really well is part of the L'Oreal Infallible Paints Metallics collection. And this is in the shade Brass Knuckles. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's so cool. And it's a brassy sort of gold color. Oh, super buttery. Ooh, I'm all about that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, just, oh, I'm so excited. So I definitely want to pop these on my lid really quickly and see how they look. So first from this pocket palette, I'm just going to pick up this brown color right here on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to work that into my crease. And I didn't have to use very much of that at all to get a really nice color payoff. Okay, I really like that. So the next shade that I'm going to take is this bronze shade in the very bottom right here. And I'm just gonna pick that up on an eyeshadow brush and dust that on my lids. Oh, these colors are so pretty together. So next on the brow bone, I'm just going to pick up the light pink shade that we have right here. And I'm just going to dust that along the brow bone on each side, just to give a little bit of interest to the look. And then I'm just gonna pull it down and do a little bit of blending as well. So I love to do a lower lash smudge, so I'm going to pick up this bronzy color again. And I'm just going to drag that along my lower lash line and lower lid area. So now I'm really excited because it's time to use the Maybelline metallic paints. So I'm going to pick up the same eyeshadow brush I was using before, and oh my goodness, this is just so buttery. Oh, I really like this shade. And I'm just brushing this in the middle part of my eyelid to kind of give a little bit of dimension and add a little bit of interest to the look. Oh, that is such a great color. Oh, I really like this. Oh, I want to try more colors of this. I really like it. The next product I'm going to use is the Matte-Matic, and this is the mechanical eyeliner. I got this in ultra black. So let's do a little swatchy. Ooh, that is very dark. Oh my gosh, it's such a great color payoff. Wow. Okay, so pigmented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lower waterlines with this. And then I'm also going to line my upper waterlines as well. This is probably the best mechanical type liner that I've ever used. I'm so impressed with that liner. It just like, it's not budging at all. The color payoff is so, so good. So next I am going to be using another liner. This is the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. Really like the colors of this eye look. Oh, I love a good gold eye. Okay, so this is the liquid eyeliner. So I'm just going to do a little swatch. Ooh. And again, just such impressive color payoff. I'm mentally prepping myself to do this liquid eyeliner because I'm going to be honest, I'm not the best at it. But I'm going to move my mirror just a little bit closer and concentrate as hard as I can. So that glides on so nicely, even with my shaky hands. So let's see if I can replicate it on the other side. So even with my super shaky hands, this is so easy to glide on. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that the felt tip of this is really quite long and very pointy. And that just makes it so easy to just kind of line it up and make a line. So the actual wings of my liner, I have never been able to do quite that easily before. And they look so fantastic. Is it funny that I'm so proud of myself? I'm like, oh, look at how good I did. Okay, so now that that is all done, we are going to move on to brows. And I'm really excited about that because I just feel like before I do my brows, my face just looks so weird. And then when I do my brows, I'm like, oh, okay, I look like a normal person again. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the Brow Stylist Definer. And this is in the shade Brunette. While I was shopping, actually, there was a dark brunette and a light brunette, and I was like, I don't know which one I am. And then I found brunette right in the middle, and I was like, oh, that's my shade. So luckily on one end there's a spoolie, so I'm just going to brush up my brows because I always think they look a little bit better if I brush them up before I fill them in, because they just kind of, you know, I fill them into the brushed up shape, I guess, is what I mean. So then I'm going to take the other side, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm going to do this with small sort of strokes, so that way it's kind of mimicking hairs. There's a little swatch for you guys. You can see it's very natural looking. I'm really liking the way it's looking so far on this brow. All right, so we've got one brow down, and doesn't this just look so much better? I really love the natural effect that this gives. I like this too because I do have a little bit of, like this brow is a little bit thinner than this brow, and I'm able to sort of just fill this in a very natural way and kind of give the illusion that they are a little bit more the same shape than they really are. So I really like this product. Okay, so next we're going to put on a little bit of blush. I think that my face needs a little bit of color. So the blush that I picked up is the True Match Super-Blendable blush, and this is in the shade Spiced Plum. And when I was looking at all of the blushes, this one really, really stood out to me. It really like jumped to me. I was like, that's the one I need. So I'm just gonna open this up. So this is what the color looks like. I'm just gonna do a quick swatch here too. Oh, so this is what the color looks like in a swatch. So let's go ahead and dust a little bit onto my cheeks. Let me find a good blush brush here. So I'm going to use this brush to apply the blush. So I'm just gonna put this, this is pigmented. Okay, so I'm just going to put some on my cheeks and then I'm going to blend it out. Oh, I really like the way that looks. Oh, that's such a nice, like, pretty, oh, it's such a pretty, like, natural color. I really, really like it. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is incredibly pigmented. So when you're applying it, definitely be, you know, soft-handed. But imagine that, because actually you get so much product in it. Oh, it comes with a brush, too. But you get so much product in the pan, and it's so pigmented that you really could use this for so long. Oh, I really love this a lot. Oh my gosh, it's so springy and like youthful looking. I really like this. So these last two products I actually got the most recommendations for when I asked you guys on Instagram. So I'm really, really excited. And actually one of my good friends in real life also recommended this to me. as well, and that would be the Voluminous / Paradise mascara. So I decided to pick this up in black. I like this packaging too. It's sort of like a champagne pearl color, and then it has like all these little holographic dots on the top, which I think is so cute. So I'm just going to curl my lashes because I always curl my lashes. So like I said, this mascara is incredibly popular, but it's so popular that one is sold every 5 seconds, which is so hard for me to even like wrap my mind around. So this is what the brush looks like. So it has over 200 unique bristles in order to coat your lashes. So I'm really, really excited. It's supposed to be able to hold maximum formula. The way that it's applying is so silky and it's not clumping up on me, which I'm so appreciative of. Gliding on so nicely. Oh, it really feels like it's grabbing each and every lash and kind of coating them individually. So on the right, you can see the mascara, and on the left, no mascara. Oh my goodness, look how long my lashes look. Like, oh, so long. Oh, I really, really love this. Okay, now I can see why everyone was like telling me I had to try this. I would definitely say this is providing voluptuous volume and length for sure. Oh, so nice. Oh, I got some on my eyebrow. I do that every day. So the last products that I picked up are a few of the color Riche Shine lipsticks. So I picked the first one up in the color Burnished Blush. And oh, this is like exactly the type of color I always go for. So that's what it looks like. Oh, super beautiful and very hydrating feeling. So the second, ooh, smells really good too. It smells like cotton candy. The second one I picked up is called Sparkling Rose, and this is definitely a little bit more on the corally side in my opinion. And then it's also a little bit brighter. So Burnished Blush is a little bit more on the plum spectrum versus this is a little bit more on the corally side. So I'm going to actually put on Sparkling Rose first, which is the second one I swatched. Mmm, buttery. All right, so I'm going to just get that little bit of mascara off. Oh, it came off really easily. That's nice. But back to the lipstick. It's so nice and shiny. It's really radiant, super hydrating feeling. And even though these shades are glossy, they're also really pigmented. Now I'm going to swatch Burnished Blush for you guys. Oh, I love this shade. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is such a beautiful spring color. It's a little bit on the berry side, but I really love the way this color is marrying with this blush also. Oh, I just think this is so pretty. I can't believe how rich this color is without being like really heavy because it feels like I have nothing on my lips. But the color payoff is so rich and pigmented. Oh my goodness. I really, really like this shade. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This was so much fun. I had such a great time bringing you guys along and trying out all these new beauty products. I am obsessed with so many of the things that we tried today. Thank you so much to L'Oreal for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram. It's @riannstar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye, guys!